just unpinned it, and you can see the motor is just attached by these two plugs right there. And so you just basically, what do you twist them loose? Twist them loose. They twist loose and comes out. And so there you go. Motor is out of Mr. Club Cadet. That easy. Alright? I would say that's pretty easy, but it's an expensive thing. Here. So there it is, guys. So it attaches from the bottom, so we're just going to let it put it in place, and then he's going to just attach it to hook it up. Rehook it up.
A notch there, it slides in, clips on.
It's got a notch in it, by the way, he says, right? So you can't get it wrong when you put these plugs on. That's another good thing, at least.
This one's got the little circle notch. It's not. It's a circle.
There it goes. And then you just twist them on. Twist. Okay, so motor's pretty much on. We're gonna put the deck back up into place.